You're posting every day, creating content and sharing what you love. But the sales, they just aren't rolling in like you thought they would. Want to earn more commission from your content? Here's how you can maximize your sales using your Referwo Deals Hub and discount codes. Your Deals Hub is a personalized storefront that showcases all your active discount codes in one place. It makes it easier for your followers to shop, increases conversions, and helps you earn more by directing everyone to one central link. Where to find your Deals Hub link? You can find your personal Deals Hub link right inside your Referwo account. It'll look something like this: deals.referwo.com/your surname. Here's how to get it. Log into your Referwo account. On the top right of your profile, click the Deals Hub Settings button. Then simply click Copy your Deals Hub URL and you're ready to share. This is the link you'll add to your bio, stories, posts, or even send via DMS and group chats. It's your one central place for all your discount codes, so make it count. Here's what a real Deals Hub looks like. This is what Mama thinks Deals Hub. Followers can scroll through all her active discount codes, click through to shop, and easily copy her codes with just one tap. Next, here's my little Lottie's Deals Hub. Clean, personalized, and packed with offers she regularly promotes to her community. And here's Sade's Deals Hub, featuring clickable product images, video content, and a direct link to every brand they work with. No need to DM anyone asking for a code. Followers can shop straight from the page, and influencers can earn from every click. Step 1. Add to link in bio. Add your Deals Hub link to your Instagram or TikTok bio so your audience can access all your deals in one tap. Step 2. Share your link. Share your Deals Hub link with friends, to your followers across your socials. You never know who's ready to shop and save using your code. Step 3. Use it in your stories when creating stories. Embed your Deals Hub using the link sticker. Encourage your followers to tap and shop directly from your link. Step 4. Let followers enjoy one-click discounts. When a follower clicks a product on your Deals Hub, their discount code is automatically copied. It makes their shopping experience faster, easier, and more likely to convert into commission for you. Upload videos or images to your Deals Hub. Product reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos build trust and drive more sales. Go to Deals Hub setting, tap Edit Media File icon, add your 𝗵𝘁𝗄𝗃, and want to really stand out. Let's get visual. Add discount codes from other brands. You can also add discount codes from brands outside of Referwo. This allows you to create a single destination for all your codes, helping your followers and boosting your influence. The more you promote your Deals Hub, the more people you refer, and the more commission you earn. With one centralized link, one-click discount codes, and engaging video content, your Deals Hub is your most powerful tool. So don't wait. Let's wrap this up with one last step. Log into Referwo, update your Deals Hub, and start sharing your link today. Boost your reach, simplify your promotions, and earn more with every click. Your deals, your link, your commission. Update your Deals Hub now at referwo.com/influencers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.